The secret to being a really good shooter is dry fire. It's actually not a secret at all. A lot of people that are really good at shooting, a lot of trainers, a lot of instructors, almost anyone that shoots seriously will tell you this. But the catch is that, oh yeah, everyone knows about dry fire, but nobody really does it, at least enough. You know, it's no excuse that you don't have ammo. It's no excuse that you don't have any shooting range near you. What you need is your gun. You need a couple of snap caps and just your time and motivation. Choose your drills. You can just do the draw. You can train reloads. You can train target acquisition, aligning the sights. Whatever you do, if you do a lot of it, you will get better. Now, of course, you know, those final things like recoil control and trigger press and reset and trying not to flinch and some other stuff, that you cannot do with dry fire. But I can guarantee you, even just handling your gun a couple of minutes a day will translate to better shooting at the range. So yeah, that's the secret. It's up to you if you use it or not.